What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be installing a slip-on exhaust on a 2008 Yamaha R6. This specific exhaust is a Toce. It's like the Toce double down or double slash they call it. I recently picked it up off Craigslist, so we're going to put that on today. And first things first, let's see how this thing sounds with the stock pipe. Alright, so now that we've got the Toce installed on the bike, let's see what this thing sounds like with the flyby and a startup. Alright, so there's the Toce exhaust, just one more time. It looks awesome on the R6. It just goes with the body lines of the bike. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this exhaust video. It sounds a lot better. It's definitely got a deeper grumble than the stock exhaust does. And it's practically just a straight pipe. There's obviously, it's kind of hard to tell, but there is no resonator in there. And as far as the cables go, we actually disconnected the butterfly valve and just tied the cables up behind the foot peg for now until we get the tune. They're pretty much obsolete anyway, but just to let you guys know, that's what we did with the cables. So once again, thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.